Get ready. Start. The proposition of law may not be absolutely correct as Section 4 of the Act provides that a list of members of the managing body of a society shall be filed with the registrar. That list is maintained by the registrar for the purpose of performing his administrative functions as a registrar. Section 25 of the Act provides that whenever any doubt or dispute is raised regarding the election of members of a managing body of a society, the registrar may refer such doubt or dispute to the prescribed authority for his decision. But when one-fourth members of the society raise a doubt or dispute relating to the election of the members of managing body or society, the matter automatically goes to the prescribed authority for decision, and in such a case, the registrar does not come into the picture. In exercising this power, whether to refer or not any doubt or dispute relating to the election of members of the managing body of a society to the prescribed authority, the registrar has to apply his mind to the facts of the case and take a decision. In such a situation, the decision of registrar/assistant registrar is required to be looked into by the learned single judge as to satisfy himself on prima facie basis as to whether the dispute that is sought to be referred is a genuine dispute or it is merely a pretense or a fabricated dispute. In such a situation and in this background, once the matter has travelled before the registrar/assistant registrar and in this direction requisite exercise has been undertaken, then unless and until the finding that has been recorded by the registrar/assistant registrar is perverse, unreasonable, contrary to record, the artificial and ingenuine disputes are not required to be referred. We at this juncture approve the view taken in the case of Babu Ram Shiksha Prasar Samiti District Eta and another versus Deputy Registrar Firms Societies and Chits Regional Office Agra and others 2007 9 ADJ 262, wherein this court held as follows. On the basis of statutory provision which covers the field and the viewpoint of this court, the inevitable conclusion is that whenever issue is raised before registrar/assistant registrar/deputy registrar that an incumbent is valid member or not within the scope and ambit of Section 15 of Societies Registration Act 1860, the said question can be very looked into and decided by registrar/assistant registrar/deputy registrar as the case may be, in view of wide amplitude of authority vested under sections 22, 23 and 24 of Societies Registration Act 1860. Registration and renewal of registration of society is the exclusive domain of registrar/assistant registrar/deputy registrar as the case may be under sections 3 and 3A of Societies Registration Act 1860. Authority to accept annual list of managing body is also exclusive domain of registrar/assistant registrar/deputy registrar as the case may be, while proceeding to exercise authority vested under Section 3A or 4 of Societies Registration Act 1860, in case election dispute or dispute in respect of continuance of office bearers is raised, then registrar/assistant registrar/deputy registrar may in his/her discretion refer the dispute to the prescribed authority if he/she is satisfied that bona fide genuine dispute has arisen in respect of election or continuance of office bearers, and in case dispute totally lacks bona fides and is in genuine dispute, then reference is not at all required and there is no impediment in the exercise of authority vested under sections 3A and 4 of Societies Registration Act 1860. This action of registrar/assistant registrar/deputy registrar can always be tested on the parameters of judicial review. Apart from this, the group of persons on list being accepted under section are not remediless, as they can always assail the validity of the said list after mustering support of 1/4 members of society before the prescribed authority. Prescribed authority gets jurisdiction to decide dispute in respect of election or continuance of office bearers, either on reference or on being moved by 1/4 members of the general body. In entertaining dispute on behalf of 1/4 members of the general body of the society, prescribed authority must satisfy himself that dispute has been raised by 1/4 members of the general body of society who are members in term of section 15 of Societies Registration Act 1860, and once satisfaction is recorded on this score, then dispute can be adjudicated in summary manner, and in the event of negative finding being there, the prescribed authority will have no jurisdiction. The parties are thereafter free to approach civil court. We may also refer to a judgment of the apex court in the case of A.P. Abu Bakr Musaliar versus District Registrar Kozhikode and others, 2004 11 SCC 247, wherein apex court has considered the issue where two rival groups had submitted the list of office bearers under section 4 of the Societies Registration Act. In the said case, two groups had filed the list of office bearers under section 4 of the Societies Registration Act as applicable in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The district registrar had accepted one of the lists of the office bearers under section 4. Aggrieved party challenged the order of the district registrar before the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Learned single judge of the High Court took the view that under section 4 the deputy registrar had no power to adjudicate the matter, but in the letter's patent appeal, the division bench set aside the order of the learned single judge and took the view that in case of a dispute when more than one return is filed, the registrar has got the power to find out as to which group has to be recognized. For the said purpose, it is not necessary for the district registrar to hold an elaborate inquiry. The deputy registrar on prima facie satisfaction can accept one of the lists submitted by a faction. In the said case, the district registrar held that one of the groups whose list was accepted had submitted the list for a long period. The division bench held that the inquiry made by the registrar and his decision does not become final, and aggrieved party can take up the matter before the competent court about the dispute of the office bearers. In the special leave petition, the Supreme Court upheld the order of the division bench of the Andhra Pradesh High Court and held as under stop.